maximum aerobic speed, otherwise known as MAS, and we're going to look at the shuttle format today. This is great for if we've not got a lot of space, and we can implement this over a short distance. So it's broken up into two parts. We've got part A and part B. Part A is a sort of testing phase where we'll gather the information and data we need. Part B is the actual implementation of the maximum aerobic speed at a higher percentage than 100%. So for the part A, all we're going to do, 5 minutes, which is 300 seconds, is we're going to run from 2 cones as many times as we can. After the 5 minutes is up, we're going to record the number of shuttles. Let's say, for instance, we'll get 55. So that is part A done. Now we need to work out what actual meters per second and 120% of our MAS so that we can implement it in the second part. So let's say, for instance, 55 shuttles, the distance covered, 20 meters, 55 times 20, total distance of 1100 meters. The time that we're running for in seconds, so that was 300 seconds, and then we're going to do 1100 meters divided by 300 seconds, and this gives us 3.66, which is our meters per second. So MAS at 100% is 3.66 meters per second. What we want to do for the MAS session is we want to work at 120%. So we're going to times 3.66 by 1.2, and that'll give us 120% of our MAS, which is 4.4 meters per second. For the actual session, we're going to be working 20 seconds on, 10 seconds off. 2 cones, so we've got 5 seconds to get from one cone to the next, 5 seconds to get back, 5 seconds to get back to the cone, and then 5 seconds to get back, 20 seconds in total, 10 seconds recovery at this point. And then for this, the distance we need to cover in 5 seconds would be 4.4 times it by 5, which gets 22. So this is what we'll do, is we'll lay the cones out 22 meters apart. On standby go, run from this cone, 5, 10, 15, rest 10 seconds. As I mentioned up in here, we'll do that 8 times, so we'll do it for 4 minutes in total, and then we'll rest for 4 minutes. Again, you can implement this 2 times over, 3 times over, however many times for the session.